Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Elle. Today I would like to talk about the Speedy 30. She's a vintage. I got her around 3 weeks ago, and it's a vintage from 1990. I was really surprised about the quality. I mean, after 30 years of service of this bag and still in a beautiful, excellent condition, I would say. Okay, so let's talk about the Speedy. 30, it was introduced in 1930 by the House of Vuitton in Paris. The measurement is 30 centimeters here across, 21 centimeters in height, and around 17 centimeters here in with a natural cowhide leather. Look at the patina now. It's really dark after 30 years. Yeah, and of course still the beautiful gold hardware. The Louis Vuitton names are stamped on it. It is made of brass. Yeah, so vintage. As you can see, the logos at the front in the upright position, and at the back in the upside down position is one big piece of the canvas. And as you can see, the leather here, it's already like yeah, after the 30 years worn out, dried, and I really cleaned her and washed her because the problem was the smell before. And yeah, I'll talk about that later. And you see here that the Louis Vuitton name made in France still there, and amazing, the zipper. I'm really fascinated about the zipper because it's still very smooth, and she has a brown interior inside, which is also very nice and clean. And the pocket, there's no zipper. It was the new edition with the zipper, but still the same, one big pocket inside. And she has no D-ring, and yeah, the classic style from 1930. The original has no D-ring, and you can see also the date where she was made. It was in January 1990, so 30 years old. But the same style, quality, I don't know. I think it's still the same quality, or is it better? I don't really know. I have two new Speedies, which I think it's the same. As you can see here, the pipings is still okay. A little bit of, not sure if you can see it. Yeah, that part a little bit only, but perfect. The canvas is perfect. Yeah, when I first got her, it was really hard. I mean, that leather was hard, but I made her now soft thanks for conditioning and, you know, cleaning. And I will put down the materials or the products that I have used to clean her. Okay, the third is, I washed her in the washing machine because of the smell. I couldn't get rid of the smell. First, I used the natural disinfectant of water and vinegar concentration. Yeah, because it's a natural disinfectant. But even though I couldn't get rid of the smell, and so I thought, like, okay, I don't know what to do with it. I wipe her and put the leather conditioner, and still I could smell it, so I put it in the washing machine. And I will put a video about it when I put in the washing machine and when I first got her, how dirty she was. But now I think I am really satisfied now, and she is really clean and pretty. Yeah, that's why I like this brand. I mean, even after 30 years, it's still so good, so pretty. I mean, what What can you say? I mean, this is really good. Yeah. So I think she can still give me another 30 years of service. Yeah, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. And what else can I say? Well, the Speedy, I said it was introduced in the 1930s. Before before the name was Express, because it was inspired before by transportation way during that time or during that era. It was, well, Louis Vuitton is manufactured in manufacturing places or in France, in Italy, in Spain, and in the US. So what else can I say about her? Beautiful, recognizable silhouette of Speedy 30. Yeah, it's the most iconic bag of Louis Vuitton, the most famous, I guess, well-known bag of Louis Vuitton. There's no doubt about that. So I'm really glad that I got a vintage one, which at the beginning I thought like, no, I just want to buy the new one, but no. To have a vintage is just like, it's just different feelings. Like, oh my god, she has served already 30 years and still in a very nice condition. I love this bag. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you again. Bye. My package arrived. It's really hard to open, but I'm trying to open it with one hand. Oh my god, it's packed with so many plastic. Where's the end part here? Okay, I have to do it with both hands again, so just a second. So I just got her the Speedy 30, and I ordered this product from Amazon, and yeah, I will try to clean her now. Okay, so for cleaning I will use water with a drop of I have here Fairy dishwashing soap, and I have a leather cleaner here, and wipes. Yeah, and also this that I bought in Amazon. This is the first time I'll try this product from the green. Yeah, and there's old t-shirts for wiping and another one. So let's start. Yeah, I will wipe her first because she just arrived and looks so dirty, and so I will wipe her first with wipes, and then yeah, I'll try to clean her with water. Okay, so I'll start with the canvas. Just wipe her because it's also smelly. Yeah, it's hard to do with one hand, so I'll be back. So I wiped the handles, and look how dirty. So for the handles, and the leather is really dry, so I need to condition her first. God, it's really dry. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'll start with cleaning oh shit, sorry, the gold hardware here with the silver cleaner, or it's also for gold cleaner. Yeah, let's see if I can remove the tarnish. I only use a little bit, and yeah, just try to put it first here. Okay, and the other side too. Okay, just a second. I don't want this. Okay, I'll leave it there for a minute. As you can see, that much dirt I already removed, and yeah, it looks a little bit better compared to this part. Yeah. My bag has a musty smell. Stink. So this is a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. So I turned it upside down, and because I want to try to clean the interior. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think I'll just brush it and just wipe it. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay. The odor was really strong, so I decided to use water and dilute it with vinegar. So I use around 6 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Yeah, I wipe it with cloth, and yes, so I think it smells better. Because vinegar is a natural disinfectant, so at least it's a little bit cleaner now. Yes. So after wiping, I dry her with hair dryer. And yeah, looks a little bit cleaner. And the odor is not that intensive anymore. It smells better. So that's good with water and vinegar mixture. Okay. I'm washing my Louis Vuitton because it's so... I couldn't remove the odor. I have to wash it. Oh my god, let's see what's gonna happen. I don't like it with spin. How to do this. It smells better.